The curious case of wet fish. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms and phrases. One such phrase we'll tackle is wet fish. Ever heard of it? Let's explore together. The term wet fish doesn't just refer to a fish that's wet. In English, calling someone a wet fish is a colloquial phrase that means the person is considered dull, lifeless, or lacking in enthusiasm. The phrase paints a picture of a fish out of water, limp and unanimated. For example, if someone says, "He greeted me with a handshake like a wet fish," they are implying the handshake was weak and not very confident. Why use a fish to describe someone's personality or demeanor? Well, the origin isn't crystal clear, but it's believed that the phrase comes from the idea of a slippery, cold, and lifeless fish. Imagine holding a fish. It's not something that exudes energy or warmth. Similarly, a person described as a wet fish lacks warmth or vigor. To get a better grip on this phrase, let's see it in action. 1. She said the date was boring. He was a bit of a wet fish. 2. I was expecting a powerful speech, but it was delivered with such a wet fish attitude. 3. Don't be such a wet fish. Show some excitement. Remember, while this term can be humorous in some contexts, it might not always be taken kindly. Always be aware of your audience when using idioms. And there we have it. The next time you hear someone described as a wet fish, you'll know they're not talking about seafood. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep swimming in the vast ocean of the English language, and until next time, stay curious.